welcome to Jamaica Done Good Again TV. Welcome, whether you're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So, police arrested 4 of 5 men accused of buggering a 13-year-old girl in St. Anne's, Kingston, Jamaica, less than a month after a public outcry on violence against women. The St. Anne police have confirmed that 4 of 5 men were arrested for allegedly buggering a 13-year-old girl. According to the superintendent, Dwight Powell, the teenager was sent by her mother, who was leaving for work, to stay with her grandmother. Upon arrival, she noticed that her grandmother was not home. The police said the child then decided to take a shortcut to a nearby shop, where she was approached by one of the men suspects, who forced her into an unfinished house, removed her clothes, and buggered her. Further reports state that 4 more men, who are believed to be between the age of 18 and 20, after arrived at the scene and took turns with the younger lady. Powell told the news that the incident occurred on April the 26th. However, the police were alerted on Friday. A search is now underway to apprehend the 5 persons involved in the matter. Powell says steps have been taken to provide support to the victim. So far, we have reached out to the Child Protection and Family Services Agency and Victim Support, so they are aware of the incident, and we are looking to see how best we can collaborate in terms of our efforts, the scene police said. Now you can read. Yes, as reporting in the matter, the scene police said that. It's very unfortunate. So there you have it, people. Very sad. And these things are going on too long and it need to be stopped. Make sure you share the video to at least one person so they can be aware. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Bless up on yourself. Bless up.